Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Cara. It has been a minute since I have posted a video, so I'm super excited for this one. This is one that I have been meaning to do for probably about a year. It just took me a lot of time to get this room in shape, and I feel like now that it's in shape and like looks good and isn't like an anxiety-filled nightmare, that maybe I'll actually film more. Plus, I have a vlog from a facial that I got earlier in January that I still never posted. So hopefully through this quarantine, I can at least produce some content. So this video was sponsored by Polar Whale, and they were kind enough to send over some drawer organizers. So that really made it helpful in, organizing, having some organizers. So thank you so much to them, and yeah, I'm going to show you, you've already seen, I guess, a before and after pic from my thumbnail. I'm sure that's what I'm going to use, but yeah, I'm going to just take you through everything we have in here and show you kind of like what I did to get this room in shape. And I know there's a lot of you out there that want to have like a dedicated filming area, because it really will just make it so much easier than having to put equipment up each time, or just not being able to find the products that you want. I have everything laid out for me so I can find them all so easy, and I really have no excuse now. So let's jump right into it. Walk into my makeup room, I have this shelf right here, and this is all of my camera equipment. So up there we have a camera bag. Here we have another Canon camera, some extra lenses, battery chargers, batteries in here, extra light. Over here, just power cords. Here we have a Sony. This is a Nexus 6. Is that what it is? Yes, that's the Sony Nexus 6. I used to use that all the time. I want to start using that again. And then I also have my Sony a5100 vlog camera, which I have in my laptop bag. So I keep it with me a little handier. This here is different selfie sticks. This is a remote trigger. This is a little stand to hook it onto my ring light. Over here we have microphones. So this is a Rode Video Go mic, and that you can just hook on top of your camera, or I have some little lav mics that you can plug right into your cell phone for better audio. Here is the DJI. I did some filming on this. This is the DJI Osmo. It's a really good steady cam if you want slow-mo steady shots like this. Over here I have just a bunch of external flashes for OOTD shoots and just more photo shoots. And then down here we have some mics, some lav mics. Over here, these are accessories for my GoPro. Over here, these are some strobe lights. Now these are for really nice photo shoots. I used to use these at my studio all the time. These are just stunning, but it's a lot of work to set these up. You have to put a big softbox on them, and they're expensive and fragile. Here we have some extra light bulbs, and down here I have another camera box with my Olympus camera in here. These go on these, and that's how you hook the softbox on them, and then just a whole bunch of wires and power cords. So I have all my techie stuff right here. Next we have obviously the filming setup. When I'm filming, I bring this reflector right over here and just kind of close myself in. So I'll have a reflector here, and then my lights. If you guys want a full detail on my filming setup, I would totally do it. So just comment below. Back here, of course, my backdrop. Over here, of course, my puppies. And then the makeup collection, what we've been waiting for. So up here, I can't reach those shelves really, so I just put some like cute PR packages. And here, these are eyelashes. This is a bag from Laura Mercier filled with makeup I still have to go through. Down here, we have some skincare, masks, some lashes. I just put a cute candle right there. Another box from Laura Mercier because she has been so generous lately. And then these little stands right here are probably just from Home Goods. And yeah, just to hold some lipsticks. Then now with this PAX unit, you can customize it any way you want. I decided to do 2 closed drawers, 3 like glass front drawers, plexiglass, and then 1 tray. So this tray is actually awesome because I can leave all my palettes like lined up. But I probably should have done more like that because I kind of like just being able to see it. And I don't really have like a great organization method for everything. So I kind of just like bundled it. Those are eyeshadow palettes. These are highlight palettes. These are a bunch of nail polishes from Sally Hansen, who is also so generous. And I'm going to have to figure out how to fill my nails on this quarantine. Over here is a bunch of stuff from Private Society Cosmetics. I did a lot of work with them last year, and I really want to use this palette again because I was just watching the video I made for them on this, and it's really freaking cool. So I think I'm going to use that maybe one day soon. So I organized all of their stuff together. So, you know, when you're reaching for a brand, you know where all the stuff is. Here we have more eyeshadow palettes. I just kind of put like the mini palettes over here. And then bigger ones here. We have like the James Charles. We have Morphe, bundled Sigma together. This is LA Girl, BH, more BH. And then these are like PR packages that I haven't got to yet. So I, again, bundled these together. Sol de Janeiro sent me all this stuff, and I've been dying to like unbox it on camera and try everything out. So that might be another video I do soon. And then, yeah, these are just like unopened PR packages that I can either, you know, film a review on or use for a giveaway. Next drawer. This drawer makes me so happy. So this is, all of these drawer organizers are from Polar Whale. You can see like how much easier this made my life. I like need to ask for more immediately. So if you have the Alex drawers, which are the other IKEA drawers, these fit perfectly, like one of these in each Alex drawer. But since I have the PAX unit, I put 3 of the like Alex drawers, and it fits pretty good. You can see maybe I just have like a little bit of space, but yeah, 3 of these works so good. And look how pretty that is. Isn't that so satisfying? And then the bottom drawer is absolute madness. Now this is all unopened makeup that I can use for giveaways or just to refill my kit with. So over here, I have another unit from Polar Whale, and I was able to put all my eyeliners here. These are more eyeliners, all my Laura Mercier primers. I love these. So these I will be definitely putting in my kit when I run out. And just a whole bunch of other fun stuff to play with. I have some more of these Lime Crime unicorn hair. I actually have a whole video dyeing my hair pink. So if you want to see that, I'll put a little link to it right here. And yeah, just some other fun stuff. Like these LA Girl glitters look stunning. That looks like a lot of fun to play with. And I've seen a bunch of people using these from Ciate London. I love Ciate. So yeah, maybe I'll check those out. So now I feel like that I'm set up. I'm just like ready to film. So the goal for this room was to put this here, and then once I build my makeup collection up, I'll put another one right there. But right now I just have a chair over there with some backdrops on it that I need to fold and put in that closet. But for right now, they're sitting there. This little vanity I just thought would be like a cute idea to put in between 2 of these PAX units. This is not my vibe anymore at all. Like I must have bought this when I first bought my house, like 9 years ago. This is not my style. I hate anything mirrored, absolutely hate it. But I figure for like a glam room, whatever, for the time being. But I plan to replace this with just something white. Look at my dogs, they're so cute. So that completes this room. makeover or beauty room makeover, beauty room tour. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna call it yet, but yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much if you made it all the way here till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.